Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafza Iman Rafiq. I am from Hifz class of Young Scholar School. I am studying in Young Scholar School since last 2 years. It is the best school in our town. My school teaches good manners, ethics and cleanliness. All of the teachers are very kind and cooperative. Our principal is also very kind, competent personality. The students in my school are very obedient. I am very lucky that I have completed my Hifzul Quran from Young Scholar School. Every year, our principal arranges a tour in which all the students gain practical knowledge of different things and also we get refreshed. I am very glad to be a part of Young Scholar School. The school is the place that prepares us for a good tomorrow. I am proud of my school because it's an Islamic school and here we are educated how to spend our life according to Sunnah and Ahadith. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.